but they are telling 8 liters from a barrel full of wine is removed and replaced with water. All right, so this is repeated 3 more times. After this, the ratio of wine to water in the barrel is 16:65. Now they're asking what is the capacity of the barrel. Originally, we do not know the capacity of the barrel. So let it be X, total quantity X. This consists of wine and water. Okay, this consists of wine and water. Now they are telling after this process, the leftover wine to water in the ratio is 16:65. All right, so the quantity left over is 16:65. Now according to the question, if you go, they are asking 8 liters from a barrel full of wine. So initially it was just wine, so it was replaced with water. All right, so quantity of wine left over. What will be the quantity of wine left over from the condition, from the question? It is 16:65. This is wine is to water. So what was this? Just the quantity of wine. So wine will be 16/65 plus 16. So this is the quantity of wine left over from the total quantity. All right, clear? Quantity of wine left over from the total quantity. So this becomes 16/81x. This is the quantity of wine left over from the total quantity. All right, now we know the formula, right? Quantity of wine left over is 16/81x. That is equal to initial quantity. What is the initial quantity? It is the x, which is unknown, because that is what they are asking, x value, into 1 minus what is the b, that is quantity of wine removed. So wine removed is 8 liters, right? Just replace 8 here. Initial quantity is unknown x to the whole power n. So n here it is 3 more times with 1, which is 4 times. Now just find out the x value. What is the answer? Aditya says it is 24 liters. Check out others. I've given the values. Hope you understood this. Quantity of wine left over. Quantity of wine is this. Leftover ratio is 16:65. So from the total quantity is 81 part of it. So what is that 81 part? That is the total quantity x. All right. So find out what it is. Aditya says 24. What about others, guys? I want others also to please respond. If it is difficult, I'll help you understand this. Now here, x and x both cancelled, right? So don't worry about the fraction here. 16 and 81 will be 4th root value, right? That is 2 power 4 and 3 power 4. So here, if this is 2 power 4 and here it is 3 power 4, from both the sides 4 gets cancelled, right? So this is nothing but 2 by 3 is equal to 1 minus 8 by x. So 2 by 1, so just interchange the values here. So it becomes 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 is equal to 8 by x. So initially it was x is equal to 8 into 3, which is 24 liters. Superb, Aditya. Others, this is just a formula method. If you want to go with traditional method, then you will get a lot of confusion, because you don't know the exact quantity. That's why I'm giving you the shortcut trick by using the formula. We don't have any shortcuts for this because we can use this formula itself to find out. All right. Traditional method you will never know, because see, there is this one confusion here. Why? Because after you change the initial quantity, the original solution, the original pure whatever the quantity of solution is there, it will become a mixture, because you are replacing it with the purity of it, right? That is by water. So once you add water, you will never know how much quantity of water is being removed, because they're just telling 8 liters of 8 liters from a barrel full of wine. It is just wine initially. All right. So if they remove 8 liters of wine initially, x is replaced by 8 liters and it is being added. So initially, if it was 24 liters, 8 liters is removed. So wine will be just 16 liters, right? Then 8 liters of water is added. Now it becomes a solution, right? Now we know just the quantity, but if you remove the 8 liters, you're not just removing 8 liters of wine there. Even water is also there. All right. So we'll never know how much exactly we are removing each time. So if you want to solve that, you can use this particular formula. That is why we generated this formula to apply the values given. Clear? All right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. There was this advanced problems as well, but the time seems to be very less. I'll explain this one problem. We'll end up with the session. All right. The question is, a merchant mixes 3 varieties of fruits which are priced 20, 30 and 40 rupees each. The resultant fruit basket is worth rupees 28. Now initially what we used to do, we used to mix lower price and higher price in one mixture, but there it was just 2 variants, right? It was just 2 varieties, but here they are given 3 varieties. So how will you explain this? This is the first variety, this is the second, and this is the third. So at a time we need to take 2 varieties only. All right. So understand this method. Whichever questions comes, you can apply that. Now we'll just consider 2 varieties at a time. So first we'll consider first and second. All right. So it becomes 20, which is the lower price, 30, which is the higher price, and the mean price is 28. Next we'll consider second and third. Okay, because at a time we need to consider, because in the end we need the ratio. So second value is 30, third value is 40, the mean price is 28. Fourth one is 1 and 3. Sorry, third value is 1 and 3. So if we consider 1 and 3, 20, 40 and 28. Amongst this there is one wrong. Okay, among these 3 things there is one condition wrong. Can anyone tell me which is that? Amongst these usage there is one condition wrong. Can anyone tell me which is that? Second case. Okay, Aditya says second, common man, Nitesh. Can you give me the reason, guys? Why second one is wrong? Why can't we select the second one? Aditya or Nitesh, common man? I want to know what's your name, man. Literally, who why are you given the name as common man there? What's your name? Hey, superb. Hey, superb, man. Literally correct. The question is here, the price of the mixture should be in between the lower price and higher price, right? It cannot be sold lesser than that, or it cannot be marked lesser than the value. So obviously this value or this condition can't be considered. Now just consider the ratios. So here quantity of 1 is to quantity of 2. Now they're asking in what ratio does he mix, right? So quantity of 1 is to 2 will be 2 is to 8. So this is it 2 is to 8? Yeah, so it is 1 is to 4. Quantity of 1 is to 2. Similarly, quantity of 1 is to quantity of 3. Q1 is to Q3. So what will be the answer? This will be 8 and this will be 12, right? So it is 4 3s are 4 2s are, right? So now we'll solve it accordingly. So Q1 is to Q2. Q1 is to Q2 is 1 is to 4. Now Q1 is to Q3 is equal to 3 is to, sorry, Q1 is to Q3, yeah, 3 is to 2, right? Now we need to find out the three ratios, right? Here Q1 is common, right? So you need to take addition of the quantities. Just add those quantities. All right. So it will be 1 plus 3, which is 4, is to Q2 is 4 and Q3 is 2. Here you may ask the question, why it is being added and why not common value, right? Here he is mixing from each value. Okay, so he's mixing in such a way that if I mix 1 and 2 in one box, okay, I'll get it in the ratio 1 is to 4, right? From this one I will mix the same thing in the third variety. All right, so I will get it as another one, so that from the first container, that is this one, from Q1 and Q2 I'll get one value. I am mixing it to another, so because there since I'm mixing it, it is added there. All right, simple. Now it is Q1 is to Q2 is Q3, 4 is to 4 is to 2. So the final ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 2 is to 1 is the ratio. It's not 3 is to 12 is to 2, guys. Understand that. Here it is 2 is to 2 is to 1, and I've told you it is addition of the ratios. Always remember, here it is addition of the ratios. Clear? Hope everyone got it. Is there any clarification to be given to you? If you can just tell me, I'll just explain this. Okay, I think it is fine. I'll just paste the Google form link for your attendance. If you can just click on that link before you end up the session, it would be helpful if you fill it up, and that will be considered as an attendance for the day. All right. If there is any queries for this, please let me know. I can surely help you out and solve more and more problems on mixtures and alligations, because this is what considered to be the advanced level and slightly complicated, because each and every problem had its own uniqueness there. Right. So I just want you all to solve more and more problems, and if you guys have any queries, please drop us the same thing. The test will be given. If you guys have any doubts, you can just post us the same thing. We'll surely help you out in understanding that. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I want everyone to click on that Google form to fill your attendance, and before going out, if you just give me your valuable feedback for the session, I'll just take the same thing in a positive way and try to look in for the further improvisation. Based on one, how was the session? Second, how was the topic being covered? Third, did you understand the concept? All right, so based on these three queries, please give your valuable feedback in the chat box. This is for my personal benefit, because I just need to improvise each and every day, right? The methodology is being taught, and the way I try to explain things, the way you understood, that is the most mattering thing here. All right, thank you so much for everyone, and I was really happy to have an interaction with you all, especially your batch, because I just wanted everyone to respond, even though if it is wrong. Okay, because even though if it is wrong or right, it is a matter of solving them. Okay, I'm not checking out your right answer. I just want to know what type of answers you are giving, and more than that, when you are solving any problems in the aptitude session, I mean aptitude tests, the way you solve matters the most. Okay, because there your time is being evaluated. So based on that, how you solve a problem, the problem solving skills will come into the picture. All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Nitesh says it was very informative and your explanation was absolutely fantastic. Oh, thank you so much, Nitesh. Thank you so much. Hope it's the same for others as well. Hope everyone understood it in a simple way. Rohit says it was good, sir. Thank you, Rohit. Akanksha says variety of problems were covered and it was understandable. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Akanksha. Ritika says it is